Hey, what's happening, my friends? Nick here with freedomlifebusiness.com, sending you well wishes and positive vibes. Folks, we live in a world where material possessions are highly sought after and valued. But it is easy to get lost in the hustle and bustle of life to realize that not everyone is as fortunate. The images of folks going to church or events, wearing their most expensive clothes and driving their luxury cars can lead to a lifestyle that is far-fetched from reality. But what if we stop and think about those that struggle and aren't so wealthy? What about those who can't afford the latest trends, or who can't drive the most expensive vehicle, who can't buy their way into certain events? See, it's important to remember that although material possessions can bring some happiness, they shouldn't be the measure of our worth or how we are seen by others. We should take the time to think about what the divine powers from above are trying to tell us, which is to be more compassionate and more understanding of those who may not be as privileged as we are. By thinking and taking a step back to reflect on our own lucky stars, we can learn to be more compassionate and understanding towards those around us who may not be so fortunate. If we can stop and ask ourselves, what difference can I make in someone's life, and how can I do my part to help bridge the gap between those with privilege and those without it? That way, we can start to find out more about people in our community who might need a little extra help or support. Maybe we can listen, understand, and have open conversations to build a stronger, more inclusive, better society. Let's remember that we all came from different walks of life, and that it is our duty to care for and help each other no matter what our background or financial situation is. So let's make an effort to reach out to those less fortunate than ourselves and recognize that material possessions don't define us. Let's lead by example and help create a world where everyone has the opportunity to succeed and reach their full potential. So here's the kicker. One has to be willing to be helped by helping themselves as well. So if you are open to helping yourself in achieving freedom and at the same time helping others in a principle-centered way, go to my website above, freedomlifebusiness.com, and get on my email list for daily inspirational updates. Remember to always go for your dreams, and most importantly, stay healthy, my friends. God bless. Bye for now.